Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video coming up on Umkhokha on Monday asking for the impossible. Nomkosi makes a request that turns the Mthembu house upside down. Mapalala struggles to forgive himself. On Tuesday, snakes, rope and two wives. Manzimande begins to spiral. Manzobe wants to persevere the legacy Kulekani left behind. Mabuzi is worried about Manzimande. On Wednesday, Mthembu is not done, it's just the beginning. Nomkosi is shocked to learn that what awaits for her sins. Family try to get Manzimande help, but it backfires. Lwazi and Gabsile's flame is annoying the wrong people. On Thursday, finding Jesus again. In a moment of divine surrender, Nomkosi collapses to her knees and casts aside her past, embracing the light of Christ's path. On Friday, Izikhwama, Nomkosi finds herself being forced to do something she no longer believes in. Ndlovu ignores his wife's plea for repentance, self-preservation, and forges ahead on his power trip, making more enemies. Thank you for watching.